Looking for the ultimate backyard cooking experience? In this video, we'll explore the best pizza oven outdoor, built to deliver crispy crusts and authentic flavors. From compact designs to powerful models, discover which one turns your patio into a pizzeria. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Ninja Artisan Outdoor Pizza Oven. The Ninja Artisan Outdoor Pizza Oven is a versatile choice for anyone who loves outdoor cooking and entertaining. With its 5-in-1 functionality, this oven lets you prepare more than just pizza. It can bake, broil, warm, and even proof dough, making it a complete outdoor cooking companion. With 5 dedicated pizza settings, including Neapolitan, thin crust, pan, New York, and a custom option, it ensures you can satisfy any style preference. Beyond pizzas, the oven doubles as a way to prepare sides alongside your main dishes, perfect for multitasking during backyard cookouts. The electric heat system removes the fuss of managing a live flame, while still offering temperatures from 90 to 700 degrees Fahrenheit for full control over cooking. The chef's view window lets you watch your pizza cook in real time, adding convenience and excitement. Built to withstand outdoor elements, this oven is durable yet best protected with a Ninja cover for longevity. Number 2. Ooni Karu 2 Outdoor Pizza Oven. The Ooni Karu 2 Outdoor Pizza Oven combines advanced engineering with portable convenience to create a professional pizza-making experience at home or on the go. With over a decade of design refinement, the Karu 2 has been optimized with features like a borosilicate glass door with clear-view technology, an integrated thermometer, and an advanced airflow management system for consistent results. This oven heats up to 950 degrees Fahrenheit in just 15 minutes and cooks authentic 12-inch pizzas in as little as 60 seconds, making it a true powerhouse for pizza lovers. Its multi-fuel capability sets it apart, as you can use wood or charcoal for traditional flavor or connect a propane burner, sold separately, for quick, easy gas-fired cooking. The efficiency is improved too, as it uses 36% less gas than earlier models. Ultra-portable and lightweight, the Ooni Karu 2 is ideal for both beginners and experienced cooks, giving you the freedom to enjoy delicious pizza not just in your backyard, but also at campsites, picnics, or any outdoor adventure. Number 3. Icyglee Outdoor Pizza Oven. The Icyglee Outdoor Pizza Oven is a budget-friendly yet high-performing option for those looking to enjoy authentic wood-fired pizzas at home. Built with a heat-resistant coated casing and strong insulation, it retains heat exceptionally well, while the included pizza stone helps deliver crispy crusts with soft, chewy centers, roasted vegetables, fish, or even steak. Its spacious fuel tray reduces the need for frequent refueling, making the cooking process smoother and more enjoyable. Designed with portability in mind, the oven weighs just 22 pounds and features folding legs for easy setup and storage, making it a great choice for backyard gatherings, camping trips, or tailgating events. It also comes with a generous range of accessories, including a pizza stone, shovel, pellet scoop, and simple recipes, giving you everything you need to get started right away. With reliable performance, lightweight design, and supportive customer service, the Icyglee is a practical pick for versatile outdoor cooking. Number 4. Ninja Woodfire Outdoor Pizza Oven. The Ninja Woodfire Outdoor Pizza Oven is a feature-packed cooking machine designed to elevate your backyard experience. With 8-in-1 versatility, it can do far more than pizzas. It also roasts, broils, bakes, smokes, dehydrates, and even keeps food warm, all at the push of a button. When it comes to pizza, this oven delivers outstanding results with customizable settings for Neapolitan, thin crust, pan, New York, and frozen varieties, cooking each to perfection in as little as 3 minutes without needing to rotate the pie. Using just half a cup of wood pellets, you can infuse dishes with rich wood-fire flavors, whether it's barbecue, pizza, or roasted meats. The oven reaches up to 700 degrees, giving professional-grade results like crispy crusts, caramelized toppings, and perfectly seared meats 40% faster than most indoor ovens. With its spacious capacity, it can accommodate large meals, from a 12-inch pizza to a 12-pound turkey, making it ideal for entertaining. Durable and efficient, the Ninja Woodfire delivers premium versatility and smoky flavor in one outdoor appliance. Number 5. Ninja 700-degree F Outdoor Pizza Oven. The Ninja 700-degree outdoor cooking solution is an all-in-one outdoor cooking solution that goes far beyond traditional pizza making. Its 8-in-1 functionality means you can create everything from artisan pizzas to roasted meats, baked casseroles, smoked dishes, dehydrated snacks, and more, transforming your backyard into a true outdoor kitchen. Designed for pizza lovers, it delivers authentic brick oven-style results in just 3 minutes, with customizable settings for Neapolitan, thin crust, pan, New York, and frozen pizzas, no turning required. Reaching up to 700 degrees F, it produces the perfect balance of char, caramelization, and crunch for professional quality textures and flavors. Its spacious cooking chamber accommodates large dishes like a 12-pound turkey, prime rib, or even a full sheet pan, making it ideal for feeding a crowd. With just half a cup of wood pellets, you can add smoky barbecue flavor to any meal at any temperature. The electric-powered design ensures complete temperature control from 105 to 700 degree F, eliminating the hassle of live flames while still delivering consistent results. This oven is versatile, powerful, and perfect for outdoor entertainers. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.